Today's top 7 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. Europe-made Punkt MC03 sovereign smartphone is now available. The Europe-made Punkt MC03 sovereign smartphone, designed in Switzerland and assembled in Germany, is now shipping for $745 with modest hardware specs and a focus on its Swiss-developed AphyOS operating system. Despite lacking premium features expected at its price point, the device emphasizes privacy, longevity, and software sovereignty with 3 years of functionality updates and 5 years of security patches. Samsung Galaxy M47's key specs and launch date revealed. Samsung will launch the Galaxy M47 5G in India on June 29, featuring a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection, LPDDR5X RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, and Android 16-based One UI 8.5 with 6 years of security updates. The device will include a 50MP triple rear camera setup, 12MP front camera, 45W fast charging support, and will be available in Blaze Blue and Rogue Red. AGEM, building an agentic Tier 2 SOC analyst at Cisco Live AMR 2026. Cisco Live AMR 2026 featured the development of an agentic Tier 2 SOC analyst system designed to automate incident analysis using AI and local GPU compute, aiming to generate detailed HTML reports in minutes for faster human verification. Intezer helps SOC teams automate custom security tasks. Intezer has launched custom agents, enabling security teams to build their own AI agents within the platform to automate repetitive SOC tasks like incident reporting and threat hunting. The new capability allows customers to reduce manual work and customize automation for their specific security operations needs. How to evaluate an AI SOC platform in 2026. 6 capabilities that separate leaders from bolt-on AI solutions. AI SOC platforms are evaluated based on their ability to reduce investigation time, false positives, and analyst workload while maintaining predictable automation through AI agents that perform core SOC functions like detection, triage, investigation, and response. True AI SOC platforms differ from bolt-on AI solutions by using agents that operate on their own data foundation rather than merely summarizing alerts within legacy CM systems. Galaxy M47 key specs, Techno Common Slim official, Week 26 in review. Samsung confirmed the Galaxy M47 5G will launch in India on June 29, featuring a 6.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, Snapdragon chipset, 6,000 mAh battery with 45W charging, and 50MP main camera with OIS, along with 6 years of security updates. Techno unveiled the Common Slim with a 6.39mm profile, 6,000 mAh battery, and IP68/IP69 water resistance, while Nothing revealed the Nothing Phone for B design and specs ahead of its July 7th global launch. Cable to Cloud, a product engineer's journey through the Cisco Live AMR 2026 SOC. A Cisco product engineer participated in the Cisco Live AMR 2026 Security Operations Center, gaining first-hand experience in real-time threat detection and contributing to the setup and operation of the portable SOC in a box system. The event provided a unique opportunity to observe how their security products perform in live environments while supporting the core missions of protection, education, and innovation. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.